Hello, my name's Lowri. I had LASIK surgery here last May. Before that, I have been wearing contact lenses for 40 years. So that's a long time in contact lenses. And I think I came to a crux point. I'm also a conductor, I conduct orchestras, when I was having to ask the instrument librarian to enlarge my scores so that I didn't have to keep putting my glasses on and taking them off. Since I've had the LASIK surgery, I haven't had to do that at all, and it's cleared all that up, and I get reasonable size scores in front of me. Added to that, without the grief of putting on contact lenses every single morning, cleaning them, taking them out every single night. It was also a concern. We do a lot of camping, so whenever you go camping and having to clean everything to make sure that you're sterile, to be putting the lenses in your eyes, it's not easy. So no regrets at all. They were very comforting here. I felt like I was in a great big cuddle. The actual procedure and process itself was painless, and there was no discomfort, only my own psychological warfare going on. So yeah, if you're considering it, don't consider it any longer.